My dearest brothers and sisters, today we're going to be making a sunchoke sweet corn salad. Helianthus tuberosa, a Native American crop. The problem with it is that it's too easy to grow. You plant a bulb, you'll get a 6-foot high stalk or even higher, and on the top it's decorated with small sunflowers. Helianthus tuberosa, it's member of the sunflower family. It is delicious. These are sunchokes are delicious raw, baked, steamed, or boiled, whatever it is. If you're into raw food, as we are at Living Tree Community, you just want to grate them up into your salads, and they are delicious. And each plant produces a great cluster of several pounds of sunchokes. A privilege, my brothers and sisters, to share this with you. So let's get going, and let's take a So here we go. And I must say, we feel so privileged to share this with you. So here we have it, our Jerusalem artichokes. And now, let's add some carrots. And how about some beets? This in combination. How about a bit of summer squash? And what about this? Is a magnificent Fuji apple. It is simply gorgeous. Notice the deep red and the spots, the small little spheres of white. Looks like a image of a galaxy or some such thing. So let's give it a bit of Fuji apple. Mm-hmm. 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 And now, what about the sweet corn? This is a wonderful California corn, organic, of course. This is a yellow and white corn. And let's just add the corn. Let's add a bit of onion, but of course, couple clunks here that I want to chop up a bit more. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. And let's give this a toss. How about a bit of dressing? What do you say to almond milk here? I'm going to put some spring water in a blender. We've done this so many times before. And I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, grown by almonds. Almonds grown by the Kortoff family. They are 5th generations on the land in the Great Central Valley, once an inland sea, bordered on the east by the towering Sierras, and on the west by the coastal mountain range, and watered from water originating in melting snow in the high Sierras. So I'm going to give this a heaping tablespoon of almond butter, and let's give it a whirl. As you see, it has flashed into almond milk, so much fresher than anything you can buy in a store that it may have been sitting on that shelf since the dawn of the Cenozoic. So let's pour some almond milk over our creation. And now, let's toss the salad. So here you have it, my dearest, a Helianthus tuberosa sweet corn salad, ecstatic with beets and carrots and summer squash. We are privileged to bring this to you, to share our thoughts and ideas. And as I said, Helianthus tuberosa is so nutritious, a Native American food, too easy to grow, and it's still time. Right now, you can go into your garden or into your community garden and plant sunchokes. Simply buy some organic sunchokes in your natural food store and go ahead and plant them. They'll come up right away. Water them frequently, and before you know it, by autumn, you'll have a mass of sunchokes. So, our privilege to share. And dearest, we welcome your comments, criticisms, and suggestions. They are gold to us. It is my privilege to bring you this recipe. Helianthus tuberosa, let us go forward. Thank you kindly indeed, friends. A privilege to share.